Welcome to Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring hemodynamic monitoring systems, advancing toward non-invasive, intelligent, and connected care, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses. Let's start with the fundamentals. Hemodynamic monitoring has always been critical in care delivery. What is changing now that makes it such a strategic focus?
Traditionally, these systems were confined to intensive care and surgical settings, focused on tracking vital cardiovascular parameters. What is changing now is the shift toward continuous, real-time monitoring that supports faster and more informed clinical decisions across care settings.
So the role is expanding beyond critical care into a more continuous model of monitoring.
Exactly. Providers are moving from episodic measurement to continuous tracking, which enables earlier intervention and better management of patient risk.
A big part of this shift seems to be the move away from invasive methods. How significant is that transition?
It is very significant. Invasive monitoring carries procedural risks and requires specialized expertise. Non-invasive and minimally invasive technologies are reducing those barriers while improving safety and ease of use.
And that is where innovation is accelerating.
Yes, wearables, advanced sensors, and AI-driven systems are making it possible to monitor patients continuously without the complexity of traditional methods.
Let's talk about the bigger ecosystem. What are the key forces shaping this industry right now?
There are three major shifts. First, disruptive technologies like non-invasive monitoring are replacing legacy systems. Second, care is moving toward ambulatory and home settings. And third, competition is intensifying as both established players and new entrants push innovation.
That competitive intensity is interesting. How are vendors differentiating themselves?
They are investing in integrated platforms, proprietary algorithms, and user-friendly designs. The goal is to deliver deeper clinical insights while fitting seamlessly into existing workflows.
Let's shift to growth drivers. What is accelerating adoption on the provider side?
Several factors. Advanced sensors are reducing setup time and risk. AI is helping clinicians prioritize actions, and there is a growing need for personalized cardiovascular care based on real-time data.
And care is clearly extending beyond hospitals as well.
Absolutely. Remote monitoring and home-based care are becoming more common, supported by devices that allow continuous tracking and virtual follow-ups.
At the same time, adoption is not uniform. What challenges are holding the market back?
Cost is a major barrier, especially for advanced systems. There is also limited awareness in some regions and a need for stronger clinical evidence to support widespread adoption of non-invasive solutions.
So proof points and ROI become critical for scaling?
Exactly. Providers need clear evidence of improved outcomes and efficiency before making large-scale investments.
Let's talk about regional dynamics. Where are we seeing the strongest momentum?
North America leads with mature adoption and strong vendor presence, while Asia-Pacific is growing fastest due to rising awareness and increasing cardiovascular disease burden. Europe remains steady, and regions like Latin America and MEA show potential but face cost and access challenges.
If you look ahead, which opportunities will define the next phase of growth?
Wearables and AI-based analytics will have the biggest impact. Wearables expand monitoring into everyday settings, while AI turns data into predictive insights that improve outcomes and efficiency.
Thanks for joining us on Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.